guys can see in the beginning of this video, the hatch runs again. Finally, new motor, built motor, with the new ECU and coil on plug system. Was supposed to go get a tune the other day, but had an issue with the coil on plug kit, wasn't getting spark and whatnot, so we finally figured that out. One of these wires was wired backwards here, but right now the car has a high idle and we didn't get to finish tuning, so we're here a couple days later. We're gonna replace this IAC and throttle body with the one from the old motor, and we're also doing an oil change, getting rid of that break-in oil, and we're gonna run some new I believe it's Castro 520 or 20, actually it's 20W50, because a little thicker the oil for the E85 because it thins it out pretty good. So doing an oil change here, getting this throttle body and IAC changed, and I also have to put a different thermostat in here because the one that's in there is 200-degree thermostat, and that's just a little too hot for turbo cars. So I'm gonna switch that out with a 170 and see how she likes that with all the changes, see how the idle is. Hopefully it goes down, and we'll see where we're at from there. So we'll get back to you. Alright, so we just did the oil change, changed the IAC, and changed the throttle body. She seems to be idling a lot better. Put a new GPS on this throttle body as well. I didn't calibrate through the Honda yet, but it seems to work. IAC is definitely helping. I'm not sure which was which, but we also got that new thermostat in there, 170-degree temp. So I'm letting it warm up right now, kind of bleeding the coolant out. I gotta fix my headlight situation, gotta get that secure and put the front bumper back on. And we'll probably take her for a spin and see how she drives. Like I said, my tuner did make it drivable, so under load and shit is still pretty conservative. It's not gonna hurt the motor, but I'll make a small little clip once the bumper's back on, and yeah, so we'll go from there. Back on the dyno after we fix some issues, getting the coolant let out. Changed the thermostat again this morning because the one that I changed yesterday didn't work. New distributor because my other one was throwing a weird cylinder sensor whack, code 9. So we got that figured out, and hopefully we'll be making some jams soon. Do some baseline pulls. We got to change the stock mag sensor out with a 4-bar BWR, and we'll go from there.